Okay, so I finally got my new toy in that I've been waiting for so I can film. La la la. Yay. Let me turn the light on. Alright, for those of you who don't know, I have an... There it goes. He heard the cats talking. I have an Oatlight that is attached to my headboard that has a... Let's see if you can see it. It's got a... like a serpentine, bendable... Yeah, it's awesome. It's an Oatlight. But anyways, that's for someone I craft in bed. But this is what I got. Isn't that great? Uh-oh, I'm filming. That means Raven's got to be right at my butt. So I was like, how in the world do I open this thing? Okay, so you push this button, these buttons here on the side, and that's what helps you move it around. This is where you attach your camera, your full-size camera, my Fuji camera. And I looked and I was like, I know this is a tripod because there's the rubber tips on the end. But how in the world do you open it? And I looked and I thought, well, maybe this is a safety mechanism. And I looked and I looked and I was like, well, this looks like it might come apart. And then look, just with my thumb, it's so easy. So this comes apart here. And as you pull it apart, the front, I'm trying to do it with one hand, the front comes out. Like I knew it would. So there's my tripod. So I can put it on my desk. I can have, let me push this back down. Actually, I push it the other way. Put my camera on there. And the weight of the camera sits back on this big knob, on this big foot stand. And that way, let me push it. I can put my camera fully straight down or right in front of me so that I could start filming my tutorials. Yay! I'm so excited. This is what I've been waiting on because I was having issues with my tripod legs getting in the way, and that's why I haven't posted any of my tutorials because I didn't like the way they came out and I couldn't take it out to where you could see it better. So yeah, so be looking finally. Let's see if I can remember how to put it back together. Wait, no. Be looking finally for some tutorials. Now how do I close it back? Oh, that's great. Now I have to figure out how to close it back. So yeah, but anyway, today was my official birthday, so you guys need, there we go. So you guys need, so I got this from AliExpress. So you guys need to go check out, I have 6 giveaways going on right now. Yay, for my birthday. And I said I was going to do the drawings the Saturday after my birthday. You can't see my face right now because I'm not at my best right now. I'm in the bed. Oh, excuse me. And we're all ready to go to sleep. Poor Ramsey. I had to pick up Matson from band, and Ramsey had to suffer, and he was in his little house. So inside was completely wet, as you can imagine. He was in his house for 12 hours. Yeah. So the first thing he did was look for a place to poo, because he won't poo in his house. He'll pee in his house if he has to, but he won't poo in his house, which is fine. So then he got a little, what do they call it? I didn't give him a bath. It's these little wipes that you use on him. And then he got his nails clipped, and so yeah. Ramsey, I'm filming. You stay right there. Can you stay right there? Yeah. Say hi, everybody. I'm such a sweet little chihuahua. I'm so tiny. I'm a miniature chihuahua. Yeah. He's one of the smaller breeds of chihuahuas. I've seen him a little bit longer. But, yeah, he's not a standard. He was a runt. He was white when I picked him out. Now the only thing white on him is that spot on his head. He's blonde. Yeah, he's so sweet. He's a sweet baby. Not a mean bone in his body. He protects his family, that's for sure. Oh boy, there he goes. Told you. Yep, there he goes. Alright, so I'm going to talk to you guys later. Thank you for being being on my channel. Oh my gosh. I still have to go to Five Below to get a new car stand. Oh gosh. But I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Alicia. Happy birthday to me.